Hello everyone, this is class 12 geography and we are discussing chapter 5. This is the module 6 of this chapter. Content which we are going to read type of agriculture. In type of agriculture, in this module we will discuss Mediterranean agriculture, market gardening and horticulture. First is the Mediterranean agriculture. This kind of agriculture, this is highly specialized commercial agriculture. Why it is commercial? Because the production which grow in this kind of agriculture, it transported to the different part of the countries or to different part of the world's countries. This practice in the country around Mediterranean Sea. Also like Central Chile, Southwest Africa, Southwest Australia and California. It is an important supplier of citrus fruit, means the Mediterranean area, this is the important supplier of the citrus fruits. Viticulture is the specialization in this region. Viticulture means the production or the agriculture of the grapes is called as viticulture. So this is the specialization of this agriculture area. Best quality wine is produced from the grapes. The best quality wine, that is the red wine, this is produced of this area's grapes. Low quality grapes are used for rinds and for currants, and olives and figs are also grown in this area. Fruits and vegetables are grown in winter, which are great demand in the European markets. So as you can see, different reason for the Mediterranean agriculture. This the important area surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, some part of, or we can say the southwest and South Australia, some part of South Africa, some part of Central America and the Main America. Next, that is the market gardening and horticulture. Basically, market gardening and horticulture, it means the production of the fruits, vegetable and flowers. In this kind of agriculture they grows. The farms are comparatively small in comparison to the other kind of farming and located near the urban area. That's why this is called as market gardening, because the gardening is done according to the demand of the urban areas. It require good transportation, because this is perishable things, means like fruit, vegetable, flower, all these are perishable things, means they can waste easily, so it require a good transportation facilities. Labor and capital intensive for the farming, growing, plowing and for all these things work. Use of irrigation, HIV seeds, fertilizer and pesticides are greatly used in this kind of agriculture. Greenhouses and artificial heating is used in the cold region. Practice in the area of this kind of agriculture: Northwest Europe, Northeast USA and the Mediterranean region. This is the important for the European countries in winter basically. Netherlands is famous for the growing of tulip flower. The production or the growing of flower is called as floriculture. Thank you.